So today I'm going to be changing the rear lights on my MK6 GTD genuine replica. So this job is simple as out. You pull back the boot liner and then you just twist this here and unplug that and the light pops straight out. So that's the pin out and the light comes out as simple as this. Give it a little bit of a wiggle. And there we are. And now we're going to change it for the new ones. So these are going to be a game changer. LED sequential indicators on the tinted as well. It's going to completely change up the back end. So obviously these lights are aftermarket and nothing goes to plan when you're thinking you're doing a simple 5-minute job. So it's got additional wiring. The wiring for the inner lights goes to the outer lights. As you can see, you connect straight in like that. But the problem is now, if you look over there at the boot, we're going to have to remove all the panels here, remove all them, and feed the wiring through the loom housing so that we can connect them together so that they work. So we've taken off all the boot lining, we've got the light here, so we're going to install this like that, and we're going to run the wire up through here, through the cable holder here. So then we're going to attach the ballast somewhere here with double-sided sticky tape, then connect the wires up, and that will make sure that both lights are synced. Because it's got a sequential indicator, both the lights need to be working on the same relay. Right guys, so we are finally done fitting the lights. They've made an absolutely massive difference. As you can see, we've put all this back together now. It was an absolute nightmare. I wore my clean clothes and I thought this job was going to take me 5 minutes, but it's taken us over an hour. But look at the transformation, it's completely changed the back end. Now all we need on the back end is the spoiler, the exhaust tips, D-badge and maybe tints. If you'd like to see me do anything else with my MK6, let us know in the comments below. But for now, let us show you a before and after of the rear end. So remember, I had the melted bumper and obviously the stock tail lights. Now let's show you the after.